Stuck on the Google TV home screen and don't know how to get out? Here's how. You'll take your Sony TV remote. On the screen, you'll go to Dashboard. From here, all settings, the gear in the top right. Go down to System, down to Power and Energy. And here we want to look at Power On behavior. Make sure it's on last input used. You do not want it to be on Google TV home screen. Now we can press the Home button. And from here, press the Input button on the remote. That brings up your input list. Select which one you can select. Or this Input Square button, select that, and you can also swap to your inputs. And that's how you get out of the Google TV home screen.